Hello and welcome to Tugit, a one-stop solution for businesses and freelancers to collaborate and get work done flexibly and securely. Let's understand how to hire a freelancer on Tugit. Log into your account as a client. On the My Projects Open tab section, click on the project for which you want to hire a freelancer. On this page, you will see all the proposals that you have received for your project. You can message the freelancer by clicking on the message button. Enter the desired message and click the send button. To access the live chat messenger, click on the messenger icon on the top right side of the page. Click on See All Messages. This feature allows you to chat with the freelancer. You can also send documents to the freelancer by clicking on the pin icon. Related Job section of the page shows all relevant jobs for which the client, that is you, has initiated a discussion. I will now close the messenger window to go back to the main page and show you how to hire a freelancer. To hire the freelancer, you need to click on the Accept button. This will take you to the payment page. The payment page shows the amount to be paid to hire the freelancer, along with other details like Tugit fee balances. Why do you have to pay at this stage and how much? If your job is fixed price job, then you need to pay full price of the job at this stage. This is kept in your Tugit wallet and released to the freelancer if he or she completes the work and you approve it. If your job is hourly job, then you need to pay 40 hours of fees now. If freelancer has quoted for $10 an hour, then you need to deposit $400 to accept this proposal. The amount you pay at this stage remains safe and locked in your Tugit wallet and is unlocked as soon as the freelancer completes the job. You can then use this amount to pay your freelancer. In case of any issues or disputes, you can withdraw back this amount via the payment method. You can choose to make payments in either US dollar or Indian rupee. Select the relevant checkbox. Click on the checkbox to have understood the Tugit user agreement. Click the Make Payment button. The page shows the relevant payment receipt and the payment status. As a client, you receive an email giving all the details of the payments. At the same time, the freelancer also receives an email stating that he has been chosen for the project. I will log out from client account and show you what really happens on freelancer side when this proposal is accepted. Click on the Logout button to log out from the client view. Log in as freelancer. Click on the messenger icon to check if you have any messages. Click on the bell icon to see the notifications or any contracts that has been awarded to you. Click on the notification to view the contract agreement. Click the checkbox to accept the Tugit user agreement and then click the I agree button. You will be taken to the project dashboard where you can chat with the client, fill in the timesheets, reject jobs, mark projects as completed, work on timeline and convey any disputes with the client. As a freelancer, check your email account to view the contract information for the projects that has been awarded to you. Chat messages from client are also sent as an email reminder for you to respond. Thank you for your time. Do visit Tugit.com to understand how Tugit can help businesses and freelancers to collaborate in an online marketplace.